how to draw? From now on, this is not going to be a problem. We've prepared a new collection of tips and tricks to help you improve your drawings. Stay tuned, and who knows, you may find a little something to help you with your masterpiece. What do toilet paper rolls and dandelions have in common? You'll find out the answer soon enough. Make some cuts about 2 to 3 centimeters long on one side of the paper roll. You should end up with something that looks like this. Dip the brush in some black acrylic paint and press it against a sheet of paper. Turn the roll to make a fluffy dandelion. With a slim brush, draw the stem and the dandelion seeds. Now, we have a stylish monochrome painting. Fast and easy. A coloring sheet as a way to relieve stress? Why not? Ordinary pencils are too boring. We have an idea. Let's fill the image with colored dots. Get some crayons and a small candle. Melt the tip of the crayon and start making some colorful dots. It's a very absorbing process, and it really calms you down. If you need to make a colorful background, just use some crumbled up paper. Dip the paper in paint and start coloring with some brief presses on the paper. And that's how you make a postmodern background in a couple of minutes. A single colored marker doesn't impress anyone. How about a rainbow marker? Get one ordinary and one dry erase marker and join their tips together. Next, get the other colored markers and press them against the main one to soak the color in. Try it out on a piece of paper. We get a rainbow gradient effect. Very beautiful. And if you don't have a dry erase marker, we'll show you how to make one in our next life hack. Color a sheet of paper in different colors. Get an old marker and take out the stem. Place it in a glass of water and wait for the pigment to leak out. Next, dip it in bleach and let it soak in. Put the stem back in the marker. The magic begins. The ink disappears right in front of our eyes. You have a sudden burst of inspiration, but there aren't any pencils but pink. We know how to help you. Let's draw a butterfly. Draw the outline of the butterfly and fill it in with your pencil. Something is definitely missing here. Heat up the tip of the pencil until it darkens. Try it out on the paper. It's almost black. Now we can add some contrast to our butterfly, and all just using a single pencil. What to do if the markers are dry and refuse to draw? We've got a hack for that as well. Take out the stem of the marker and cut it in parts. Place them in water and wait for the color to mix in. Pour the colored water into a spray can. Now you've got some spray paint to color your templates. Look at those cute dolphins we've just made. Do you like colorful and original stuff? Then our next trick is for you. Get a canvas and, with a compass, mark the position of the painting. Dip the eraser of the pencil in some paint and start stamping out some colorful dots following the circle. This painting will turn your room into a real art gallery. And now, let's draw a lilac flower using just some household materials. We are going to need some Q-tips and some elastic bands. Join the Q-tips together with elastic bands. With a slim brush, draw the leaves and branches. Dip our Q-tip instrument in water and then in some dark purple paint. Draw the lilac flowers by making lots of dots. Add some shades of pink and blue. Draw a couple more flowers. Some final touches in the form of heart-shaped leaves, and the painting is ready for exhibition. Our next technique can turn any painting into a piece of art. Our minimal elephant is looking a bit boring. It could use some bright colors. Dilute some acrylic paint with water and make a few random strokes with a brush. Spread out the paint by blowing on it through a straw. Very juicy. The elephant doesn't look so serious anymore. It's a mess. Your different brushes don't want to fit in the same holder. We'll show you how to make an organizer for your brushes quickly. Get a piece of felt. With the help of a ruler and a pencil, make some markings on the felt with an allowance of about a couple centimeters from the edges. Make a dash and dash line with a 2 centimeter step. Make 6 rows in a checkered pattern. Cut the felt on the marks. Place the brushes in the openings. Fasten the holder with a ribbon. Now our instruments are well organized and always near. For our next idea, we'll need some crayons and a white candle. Melt the tip of the crayon with a lighter and carefully press it against the bottom of the candle. The dripping wax leaves some bright, colorful spots. The white candle is turned into an original piece of decor. You can choose the color to match your interior. We already missed the heat and the juicy fruits. And you? We'll show you how to draw a bright pineapple using a very unusual technique. We'll need some white glue, yellow and green paint, and some shaving cream. Mix all the ingredients together until you get an evenly colored mixture. Apply the mixture to the paper using a wide brush. Draw the shape of a pineapple. Make a green mixture and use it to draw the leaves. Make some indentations with a sharp stick. Done! The pineapple is ready. And what is your favorite fruit? There's no such thing as too much fruit. That's why we give you another idea for drawing them. With a simple pencil, draw a slice of watermelon. Crumble up a small piece of paper. This will be our main instrument. Dip the piece of paper in some paint and start drawing. This technique gives the paint a very interesting texture. We can make a whole bunch of fruits this way. And now, let's show you how to give some volume to your paintings. Outline your hand on a sheet of paper. Start drawing some lines with a marker. They must be straight outside of the hand and curved inside the marked boundary. Continue drawing parallel lines of different colors. We get a very cool 3D effect. Your friends will definitely enjoy this trick. The next trick will show you how to make some weird stains without using any special instruments. Pour a few different colors of acrylic paint into a glass. Close off the glass with a plate and turn it upside down. Take off the glass and let the paint spread out on the plate. Tilt the plate from side to side to evenly cover the borders. Can't take your eyes off the pretty pattern? Get rid of the excess paint and let the plate dry. There won't be another decorative plate like this. A transparent glass? That's too boring. We need to decorate it. Gently pour 2 different colors of acrylic on the walls of glass. Spin the glass to spread out the pattern. The whole cosmos is in your glass. You can use this glass as a candlestick. You think that you can draw only on paper? Well, think again. Sketch out a simple image. Outline it with hot glue. Apply some white glue and stick some foil. Push out the pattern. Just like a real stamping. Paint with gouache and add a background. An original metallic mural. Tired after a long day? A course of droplet therapy will help you. What is it, you ask? Get a glass pipette and fill it with diluted paint. Draw a spiral on a piece of paper with some droplets. Be careful, it's addicting. But it helps a lot with stress. Another way of getting rid of stress is to draw on white glue. Pour the glue onto a plate. Make some colored dots with a brush. Slowly drag a toothpick on the surface. A real art relax. In the next bit, we'll make some tie-dye napkins. Roll up a napkin and fix it with an elastic band. Paint the napkin in different colors with some markers. Let the ink soak in and unroll the napkin. Looks like springtime sky. Very beautiful. To make a few identical images, you are going to need a stamp. Let's make one out of cardboard. Outline and cut out the shape of a flower on a thick piece of cardboard. Cut out the details and get rid of the excess layers of cardboard. Apply the paint with a brush to make an imprint. Good! You can experiment with different shapes and colors. How to make salt glow in all colors of the rainbow? Easy! We'll need a glass of salt and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it all together. Tramp down the mixture into a mold and let it dry. Decorate the figure with some colored droplets and enjoy the results. Not too good at arts? With this double stroke technique, you'll fall in love with drawing. Get a flat brush and dip each side in a different color of paint. Now each stroke paints with multiple colors. Try it out! It's a lot easier than it looks. And it's very pretty. Did you enjoy our tips and tricks? Awesome! Leave a comment and tell us which idea you found the most useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press on the bell icon if you don't want to miss our latest releases.